don't turn your back on family.
Oh, what's up? It's your boy, Scruffy Voice. I don't know what's going on with me, but my voice has been kind of terrible. Look at that. My voice just squeaked. What even, bro? Anyway, it's a beautiful day, so I thought I would take the bike. And I am thoroughly enjoying this beautiful day and this, snazzy weather. What just happened to my voice? Snazzy. I'm dying. I'm just back at it again with another ADHD-fueled motovlog. Railroad crossing! America! Yeah, boy! Oh no, a ambulance! Oh, and they're taking somebody out on the stretcher, too. That's the fire department. What? Or the fire and police department mix thing. Looks like gang rivalry to me. The medics shot one of the police officers and are now taking him out to convert him into being one of the medic people. I'm not sure how cop fire med feud works, but I'm pretty sure it's along those lines. Wassaw it. Thank you for actually throwing up something, bro. Too many of the cruisers around here think they're better than me. And they are, but they don't have to act like it, you know. It's disrespectful and it makes me sad. Oh, so for my last Just Another Motovlog, I told you guys I was gonna go see Fast 10, and I will give you my synopsis on that. Skirt, skirt. Oh, and I hit the rumble strips. That was just a bonus. Are you not gonna go? It's 100% your turn, bro. Anyway, I went to see Fast 10, and I went to like a car show beforehand, and the Car Community Connection rented out a theater for us to watch it in, and we all saw it as a family.
There's always room for family.
I mean, I grew up on the Fast and Furious series. I loved it. I still love the newer ones, even though they're different. I think I am gonna have a fast marathon where I just spend like a few days watching all the fast movies, because like the newer ones do have some crazy cool cars and the craziest action stunts and the biggest explosions and all that, but they're over the top. Not saying like the first few Fast and Furious movies weren't, you know, over the top, because parts of them just didn't make sense. But like they still had a home feel to them, you know? It didn't feel like you were being sucked into the Hollywood explosions like watching a Michael Bay movie. Unlike the new ones, which are 100% that. Anyway, I still love 10. I'm not gonna spoil it, but let's just say I'm ready to see Fast 11. If you're gonna pull out in front of me, pull out in front of me. Don't keep me guessing. All I know is after watching Fast 10, I feel like I'm not even allowed to drive a car unless I can bench press one. Because everyone just had huge jacked CGI muscles. And like, that's just how it was. Nice Camaro, bro. Looks like Kyle scratched your headlight though. I'm not gonna lie, the plot was a little weird to me of the new one. Like, I've always understood the plots, and I understood this new plot, but it was just, it felt weird to me. If you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. It was like, there's kind of a few different things going on, and like, while you can understand it, you're like, why didn't they just do, you know, X other thing, or Y other thing? My biggest gripe about the movie was that they broke the laws of physics 16 times per scene. I think it was Fast 5 that really kicked off like the, well, look what we can get away with. Oh my god, my voice. I think it was 5 where they were like, yeah, they'll let us just do this crazy stuff on screen and the fans won't question it. So then they took that and ran with it. Or should I say, they drove with it. I mean, they they took that and did a burnout all onto your mom's kitchen floor and spun out your front door with it. Literally at no point during the movie was I watching it and thinking, no way, he can't do that, it's physically impossible. It was just instead, oh, he's one of the 12 main characters, so he can literally do whatever he wants. He could literally spend the entire movie on fire and it would just be acceptable. It'd be like, yeah, it's hot, but I have family, and you've just been like, oh, okay, yeah, I got you. That makes sense.
But what's real is family.
You guys see that video where the car like ramps up? I'm just gonna include it in here in case you haven't. I kind of want to do that now. Not really. It's not a Fast and Furious movie. I'll actually have repercussions for doing that. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. So, stay safe out there. Remember, I love you. Not really. I don't know you guys. I do know, actually, several of you. And, you know, I love you guys as friends, I guess. But we'll stick with just that. Alright, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you next time. Always remember, you can't die when you have family.
You don't turn your back on family.
Alright, goodbye now. For real, get on. Get out of here. Go on, get. I said get.